Hey guys, I received this package from a company called Bond Crafters. They sent me this to try to see if like it. They saw my products online and they contacted me and asked me to try some of their products. It's UV resin and a casting powder, and they asked me to try it, so I'm going to try it to see how it works. The only products I've ever used is Hydrostone and Aqua Resin. So I'm excited to try this new casting powder to see how it works. So I wanted to do this quick unboxing video to show you what's included in the packaging, the colorants, and the powder, casting powder. Some mixing cups for the resin and the powder. Instruction booklet showing you all the products that can be made with this powder. It's probably similar to what I use, Aqua Resin. This company is Bond Craftor, so you guys can go and check that out. BOND CRAFTOR. They include sandpaper, some stirring sticks, and some gloves in the packaging. So I'm going to try this out and show you how it turns out. The UV resin. You can incorporate both together, the casting powder and the UV resin together in your projects. They sent me 3 bottles of UV resin. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little mixing up of a coaster and let you see how it works. Here, they said the ratio on this is 10 to 3, 10 grams of powder to 3 grams of water or ounces. But I don't do the ratio. I just eyeball it and mix to the consistency that I think is perfect for me, and then I add my color. Wow, this yellow is rich. It's not opaque at all. It's very nice. I'm going to add some little light black swirls in there, very lightly. I don't want the black to overpower the yellow. So that's what I'm doing, adding some marbling black colorant. Then I pour it into my coaster mold. And they say this thing sets up really quickly in under an hour. So yeah, it's all ready to be demolded already. It hasn't been an hour yet. I just poured it and it's ready. Look at that, beautiful. No bubbles. Really nice cast. Bond Craftor, guys, check it out.